Hello, I'm Miki from Happy Crazy Matcha. Today I'm going to introduce you how to prepare matcha, including some tips like how to get started this bamboo Chasen disc, how many gram we need, how much degree we should use, how to sift matcha, how to use this one, and how to make a fine foam. So let's get started. This time I'm using these tea utensils. So now it's time to make matcha. I use this sieve to remove lumps. As you can see, there are many lumps. For the smooth texture, it's better to remove everything. For your cups, we use 2 grams of matcha. The amount. Sometimes I ask people to make matcha 2 grams, scoop 1 scoop, and they put like this amount, but this is not enough. Normally, this amount is 1 gram. Two gram is around this much. Then, time to sift. And if so many foreigner or many people would like this to sift, it's also okay. But to hold and it's faster and easier. Then all lumps removed. The amount we use for matcha is around 80 grams. This is very similar amount. 1 coffee cup. This time I pour hot water, boiled water here in my teacup to show you easily. Then there is another way not to use this sieves. If you don't have that sieves but still want to remove lumps, the way is then you see the lumps here. So I hope this video could help you. So next time I'm going to introduce how to make matcha without this bamboo whisk. See you soon. Be happy, be crazy.